So, good everyone. So, ating tatalakayin ngayon is about tenses. Tenses. Ano ba ang tenses? Ang tenses, tenses refer to the form of verb, no, that indicates the action, no, that indicates the time, oras, and action, and completion, no, kung kailan natapos, completion of an action, kung kailan tapos ang ginawa. So meron po tayong different forms, different types of verbs. So uh, dito sa simple tenses, no, tenses, meron siyang simple present tense, meron din siyang simple past tense, at meron din siyang simple future tense. Yan yung tatlong primary tenses natin. So when you see simple present tense, no, ito yung gawa, no, na nag-declare as a general, universal, and true statement, no. For example, there are 30 days in September, so our company ships products to many foreign countries, no? So yung kadalasan, no, it describes, ang simple present tense describes the regular, yung always mong palagi mong ginagawa, that is simple present tense. So example, I walk to school every day. So araw-araw naman tayong naglalakad patungong paaralan, diba? Regular natin ang ginagawa. So at that is a present simple, no? Yung araw-araw nating ginagawa, that is present simple. So dito naman tayo sa simple past tense, yung kalawang tenses natin. So ang simple past tense daw is nag-describes an action in which began and ended before the present. So example, we visited the museum yesterday. So kahapon, natapos kahapon lang. So simple siya kasi wala nang iba, kahapon tapos na. That is a simple present tense. BT example, BT taught for 10 years. So kahapon natapos na yung gawa. That is simple past tense. So ang simple future tense naman ay nag-describes an action which will happen in the future, gagawin pa lamang. That is a future simple tense. So example is my driver will pick me up at 3 p.m. So ano ba ang indications ng simple future tense? So yung simple future tense is nagamit siya ng will. So example, I will not get up early. So gagawin pa niya yung trabaho niya. So I will, that is a simple future tense. Next, meron naman tayong tinatawag na present progressive tense, or tinatawagin niyang present continuous tenses. So ano ba ang present continuous tenses? So ang present continuous tenses daw, it describes an action, naglarawan sa isang gawa that is going on now. So meaning to say, ang present progressive daw ay action na ginagawa ngayon. So ano ba ang indicators nito? So all actions are unfinished and incomplete. So example is, we are preparing for our final thesis defense. So ginagawa na, that is ang indicators is may ing. So we are preparing. So nagprepare sila ngayon, or no, that is present progressive. So, actions that are unfinished, no? Hindi pa natapos and incomplete. So, preparing. Hindi nag-prepare pa sila. They are preparing now. That is a present progressive. So, continue pa yung action. No? Ibig sabihin ng present progressive or present continuous is continue pa yung action. No? Tinatawag ng continuous tenses. So, that is a present progressive or continuous tense. So, dito naman tayo sa past progressive or continuous tense. Ano naman ang past, present, continuous tenses? So, ang past progressive or continuous tense describes an action which was in progress at a certain time in the past. So, ano ba ang past, no? Example is, my husband was working in the bodega last night. So, natapos na yung gawa niya kahapon. So, my husband was working. So, kahapon is natapos na yung gawa niya. Ano ba ang indicators ng past progressive? So, kanina is present, no? Yung indicators niya is preparing, may ing siya, no? Are preparing. Ngayon is natapos na siya. We have working, no? Was, no? Gamit na tayo ng was kasi tapos na. That is the indicators, no? My husband was working in the bodega last night. So, the dogs, another example is, the dogs were barking all night. So, the dogs were. So, were because past tense siya. So, magamit tayo ng past form of verb. That is barking. Were barking. So, next is the future progressive tense. So, ano bang indicator ng future? So, ang future progressive tense is describes an action that is continuing into the future. So, ano bang indicator ng future? So, example is, you wants to know if you will be. So, meron siyang you will be. Will be. That is indicators of the future progressive tense. Will be. So, kanina, yung simple future, that is will lamang, walang be. Ngayon is maybe na will be. I will be a doctor someday, no? She wants to know if you will be. So, yan po ang past, future progressive. You will be. Dito naman tayo sa perfect. So, past, present perfect tense. So, ano ba ang present perfect? So, ang present perfect is an action completed at an indefinite time of past. So, ano ba ang indicators ng present perfect? So, present perfect is have and past participle form of the verb. So, yan po ang present perfect. So, example, I have danced. Dance na with D. That is the present perfect. I have if ang subject is plural, I is plural, have is plural, so gamitin natin yung have kasi plural. So, I have danced. Dance with D kasi past participle. That is a formula of the present perfect tenses. Dito naman tayo sa past perfect tense. So, ano nga ba ang indicators ng past perfect tense? So, past perfect tense, I had danced before. Example, I had danced before I sang. I had, tapos past participle, no? Had, past participle. So, I had danced before I sang. So, yan po ang past perfect. So, dito naman tayo sa future perfect tense. Ano nga ba ang indicators ng future perfect tense? So, future perfect is will have or will past participle. Then I will have or will has, no? That is future perfect tense. Next is the kung meron perfect at saka progressive, so meron ding perfect progressive. So i-combine yung perfect at saka progressive tense. So dito tayo sa present and perfect progressive or continuous tense. Ano nga ba ang indicator ng present at perfect present perfect continuous tense? So yung present perfect continuous tense, no, meron siyang have been. So have been, then ing, have been ing. Example, I have been dancing since then. So meron din siyang since, that is also an indicator since then. So next is the past perfect progressive and continuous tense. Ano nga ba ang indicator ng present past perfect progressive tense? Had. So kapag masabi natin pag sabihin natin past, so had yung ginagamit. So had, so past had, at ngayon is past perfect, so had been dancing. So had past participle, then dancing. I had been dancing since then. So when you arrive there. So next is the future perfect progressive. So ano nga ba ang indicators ng future? So meron siyang will have been, another will have been. So I will have been dancing when the party ends.